Hello everyone, I'm Amit from the Offbeat India, and we are back with our nature walks. And it was quite exciting shooting this walk because we had some amazing sightings. And the best was we saw a bearded vulture in flight, and the worst was we couldn't capture it in our camera. So maybe next time. So let's start the walk. Scarlet millipede. It's the male, and here the male perched again. Just look at the bright color. And today we are lucky with the sighting of scarlets. They're coming again and again. And here is a dark-sided flycatcher sitting on that twig, taking sallies and perching again and again on the same branch. Yeah.
In our last nature walk, we shared with you that an oak tree is a great host to mosses and ferns. Here we want to show you a very interesting fact about how ferns reproduce, since they do not have seeds and flowers. Can you just have a close look at these fine brown dots at the underside of this fern? These are spores sac. And when these spores mature, the sac opens and winds disperse them. That's how ferns reproduce.
Here we have green backed. And here is a mating pair of hoverfly. Blackbird. We just heard some movement in the nearby tree, and she just came out. And here is a grey-headed woodpecker. And here is a closer look of Himalayan woodpecker for you all. It's a lucky day today. A rarity from Himalayas. And today we saw these Himalayan rock agmas again, and it's a perfect habitat for them, and they prefer these kind of crevasses and gaps in the rock to live. And being a cold-blooded animal, they need to come out in sun to regulate their body temperature. And this one is quite big. Look at these patterns on these leaves, and it's an artwork of some leaf miners, and it could be a larvae of some butterfly, moth, or any flies, and they get this name because they penetrate inside the leaf and eat the soft tissues. And here is a street laughing thrush sitting in that bush, giving calls. Here you can see slaty-headed parakeets, and they are actually nesting in this cavity.
Hope you all enjoyed this nature walk. This is the Offbeat India, and we urge everyone to travel responsibly and support sustainable tourism. Thanks for being with us.